Maharishi Mahesh Yogi, the teacher of TM, has started 2 new projects. One is to create these kind of good housing projects called Heaven on Earth Estates. He's building some in Marin County near us. The other, it said in the paper, under the headline, Magician Guru Go into the Theme Park Business. Magician Doug Henning, the TV magician, says he and Indian Guru Maharishi Mahesh Yogi will build a $1 billion theme park. They're actually, it started next to Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, featuring magic and Eastern-style meditation. The park will open in 1993 and offer 38 major attractions focusing on the themes of knowledge, enlightenment, and entertainment. Well, I suppose you could see what you've just done for a week as entertainment in a certain, it's a movie anyway, isn't it? All different kinds. So we have these different notions of spiritual practice and how it will be and how we're supposed to change. It turns out that it doesn't happen very quickly. It just doesn't. It's not very fast at all. In fact, it's a lifetime's work. I mean, in some ways, maybe that's what we're here for, is just to do that. Someone asked the Dalai Lama how you could tell if spiritual practice was developing correctly or not, or working. He said, well, look at it over some period of time. How are you after 10 years or 20 years? Or 30 years of doing it, you know, or a lifetime or 2 or 3. He can look back, I guess, and see. But it was a wonderful perspective to really look at your life. Or Zen Master Suzuki Roshi, from whom I've read at many retreats. He says, after you practice for a while, you realize that it is not possible to make rapid, extraordinary progress. Even though you try very hard, the progress you make is always little by little. It's not like going out in a thunder shower in which you know when you get wet. In a fog, you do not know you're getting wet, but as you keep walking, you get wet little by little. If your mind has ideas of progress or ideals, you may say, oh, this pace is terrible. But actually it is not. For when you get wet in a fog, it is very difficult to dry yourself. So there's no need to worry about progress. It's like studying a foreign language. You cannot do it all of a sudden, but by repeating it over and over, you will master it. It is best to say that we do not even expect to make progress. Just to be sincere and make our full effort in each moment is enough. It's an amazing thing to say. And it means, in a sense, that we don't expect to make progress because where we're going is here. And what we're after doesn't exist in time, but it exists in some timeless realm.